What's going on, family? I'm at this strip mall right here. I'm on Sooner Road, I believe. Not a bad place. You have to pretty much know where it's at, I believe. It's not like well, they got a main road here and there. But I'm looking at this spot here. They got two spots for storefronts. And I just got off the phone with the guy. The price is very affordable. And here go one of the storefronts, and then this one down there. But I kind of like this one better. I like the way this one is set up better though. So it's set up real smooth. So I'm gonna see if I can get me a storefront. So right now I'm just checking everything out, seeing what's going on in the area. Don't seem like a bad area though. But I'm thinking about making this the HogOn Welding Storefront. You know, you can see my name up there, right? You can see HogOn Welding up there, right? You got to start from somewhere. So I think it's just gonna be the one we're gonna get right here. So I really like the way it's laid out. The guy's gone, but I like the layout. Then they got a big area at the back, and this just will be the storefront area, which I think it'll be dope, honestly. I really do. They got a lot of people. They got a few different things going on out here, so we're trying to put ourselves in business around here. That's the goal. So we got a salon over here. So this might be the spot. We got a barber school over here. So they get to the bag over here with the barber school. So hey, it don't seem like no bad situation, man. Don't seem like a bad situation. I don't know what that gas. Some gas might be on right there. I think I seen some people right there. I know there's a gas station right back here, 7-Eleven. So this one might be open. But right now, like I said, man, I'm just going around checking a few things out. This one was actually real affordable. Don't know too much about this spot. So I'm gonna ask a couple questions to the tenants and see what they say. See if I can get any good information from them. But that's what I'm doing. All gone.